Okay guys, so today we're gonna just do a short, it's not really a repair, it's a preventive maintenance for our water heater. This is a magnesium anode that goes inside the hot water tank, which the hot water heater is right here, the tank is on the inside, and this basically screws into the unit and it attracts all the metals inside the water. And so this will get corroded and it prevents the inside of the tank from getting damaged. So you want to change these, maybe once a year or just depending on how much you're using it. Anyway, we just bought the RV. I don't know the condition of the one inside it. So they're really not expensive. It's like $10. So I bought 2 of them and we're going to change this out. So I actually just bought a socket set for 1/2 inch because I didn't have the size. It's 1 1/16 inch, which is a pretty big socket. I just didn't happen to have it, so I just bought a set at Harbor Freight. It was like 25 bucks. So now I have it, and that's the correct size. So I turned off the water. So we turned off the water, and the tank is going to have water in it. So when I open this up, we're gonna get water coming out of here. So this just releases the pressure. That's all. There was really not much. The old one is actually smaller. It's 15/16. The new one is 1 1/16 inches. So anyway, so I have to use this one to take the old one off. (15/16 inch). Okay, so we're gonna pop this guy out and all the water should drain out of it. And it actually doesn't even have one. Doesn't even have one. So what I would do is actually freeze it right now. So this is Teflon tape. You're going to want to put that on there to give a good seal, and it'll also make it easier to get the old one out. So we're just tightening this up. You don't want to torque this down very much. It really doesn't take much. So it's probably good actually. Alright, I think that's good. The old one wasn't in there, so all it had was this. So this didn't have an anode, which is a big problem. Hopefully this isn't the original water heater, because if it is, I may have to be replacing it soon. Or at least put a new tank in it. Okay guys, it's all finished. I've turned the water back on to make sure it's not leaking. You can see it right there. There's the new one. And the water has been on for a while. It's not leaking, so we're good to go. So that's how simple that little maintenance item for your water heater. You should do that once a year. Thank you. Hope it helps.
Join our family by clicking the join button down below. Your membership will help more kids in the Philippines who needs books and computers for their school. Thank you guys, we love you!
Looking forward to your membership, guys. We love you.
My channel, subscribe to my channel.